Good afternoon, my lovers. It's cooled down a bit today. It's a bit cooler. It's still pretty warm. 22, 23, something like that. Right, I'm going to head off back to that same field where I found the purse loop. About 1475 to 1550 was the date, which is wild. So I'm going to head back off to that field because it's been cut. And I've only got the CTX with me today because the GPX didn't work very well in that field, which it was only a field, so it's not like it was over the top of a Roman site. So hopefully I can get on one of the Roman sites when I'm a bit more clued up on the thing. Because digging, what was it, out of 5 signals, 4 of them were nails. Not very good odds. It doesn't make for an interesting video, does it? So I think, like I said before, it's a specialist tool that I'm only going to be able to use on specialist sites, really. I'd love to use it everywhere, but until I recognise the tones... Oh, car coming. Oh, and one behind as well. It's a landowner. Yeah, until I recognise the tones, I'm going to sort of like only use it on specialist sites because, you know, dig it all. That's what they say. Dig it all. Yeah, well, digging it all on a field that's not got anything special there is countermount to a lot of nails. And then when I do get onto a site that's special, I probably will dig it all. Right. No more cars coming. So let's see if I can find something medieval. Woohoo! I've made it, my lovers, I'm here. Oh, look, there's my noble steed over there. And just first swing, beep, beep, right here. A bit loud. Let's turn the volume down. That'll do. Doesn't look like a coin. It's still in there. Let's get that out of the way. Yeah. Ah, it is a coin. Looks like an old penny. It's an old penny. 1892. Very old penny. Oh, good day to you, Mom. Lovely patina. Lovely jubbly. I'm going to detect around here a bit, and it might be a pocket spill. See if there's any more. Might be a gold one. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Gold. We're just digging this signal here, and I spotted a bit of greenness somewhere. Ah, there. There's a bit of greenness. No, that's not it. So it's in here. Ah! She blows. Oh, it's a pesky button. Ah, it's a bit unusual to have green on a pesky button. It's got anything on it? No. Alright, on to the next. Oh, I got something down here. be a bit of lead. Oh, might not be a bit of lead. Normally lead's deeper because it's heavy and it sinks. That's why I got the GPX, because if it's gold, the theory is that it will sink deeper beyond the reach of the CTX. That's the theory. Right, what have I done with my pesky pinpointer? Here it is. Ooh. Oh. Oh, I can see something. What's that? It's a thing with a hole. 2 holes. It's quite heavy. Dunno. Bizarre looking thing. Some sort of washery type thing. Presumably that goes all the way through. Yeah, I suppose it does. So I can push it out. Sort of beveled as well, though. Some sort of little pulley. You know, little string goes round there or something, possibly. Anyway, that's what it is. It's one of them. Oh, look at this signal I got here. Ooh, could be a bit of silver. Ooh, 1228. 28, 38. Oh, it's all this grass making it uneven. Right. It's not there. So that means I can take off the first 5 centimetres without hitting it. Yeah, and again, I can do the same again. Oh, there it is, just there. Oh, I can see it. Oh, I'm rich beyond my wildest dreams. Looks like a pound coin. It is a pound coin. Good day to you, Mom. Oh, it's one of the Isambard Kingdom Brunel Tunnel. Methinks. Is there a date on this one? Somewhere? There it is. 2006. Lovely jubbly. On to the next. Oh, I don't think that pound coin was alone. Ugh, So I'd be worth bothering with. Pesky 5p. Yep, 5p. Spendable. Right, on to the next. Oh, I don't believe it. I thought it was going to be a bit of foil. I suppose I'm grateful that it's not a bit of foil. Ugh, it's another pesky 5p. Another spendable 5 pence. 2009, I think it says. Does it say 9? 3. Oh, 5p. Oh, I'm going great guns today. There's my noble steed over there. And not far from it, I got a signal. Sweet! Lovely jubbly. Sweet! 1240. Oh, I cannot see it yet. Just there. What have I done with my spade? Ah, it's over here. Oh. Ah! Look at the size of this! Now this is the biggest spectacle buckle I think I've ever dug up. It's a monster. Is it a spectacle buckle? It's huge. Funny looking buckle. Yeah, look at the size of it. It's a monster. Is it pewter or is it solid silver? Be nice, wouldn't it? It's got a bit of a silvery tinge underneath the grot. But look at that one. Have you ever seen one like that before? I do not recognise the design, to be sure, as they would say. Ah, that's proper weird. Let's give it a bit of a clean up. Oh, there it is. Look at the size of it. Look, it's almost 3 fingers across. Definitely 3 fingers that way, look. It's a monster. Don't think it's silver, I think it's just, it was silver plate and it's coming off. I thought it had silver underneath them when I saw that. No, it's been filed, it's been handmade. I'll have to see if I can find out the design. Right, on to the next. Well, this was a proper iffy signal on the surface, but now it's sounding a lot better. 1221, hammered coin. Whoa. Come on, cross your fingers and toes. Right in there. Oh. Oh, I can see it. And it looks like a pesky button. Ah! I thought I had a hammy then. But no, it's a pesky button. That was a good tone for a pesky button. Got a little bit of decoration on it. But it's still a pesky button. Ugh! Oh, look at the size of that one. You wouldn't want that hitting you at 800 feet per second, would you? He's a monster. Oh, it's been squashed down the barrel. Look, it's got that barrel shape band like going round it. Yeah, that's a monster. That's an old one when it gone white, look. It's been in the ground for a few hundred years, methinks. It's got some marks on it where some squirrels have been having a bite. What's that? It's got a T on it. Tradesman. Is that T for Tony? Don't know. Right, on to the next. Oh, here's the roundup. Oh, not much of a hunt today. Huge musket ball, Queen Victorian penny, pound coin, 5p. I got another 5p somewhere. But huge spectacle buckle, monster. Right, I'll be back out tomorrow. Hopefully, the weather's all right. Oh, that's it, me lovers. It's starting to look a bit iffy. This getting really dark. The clouds. I didn't bring any waterproofs, so hopefully it's not going to rain on me whilst I'm sitting outside the pub, sinking a few jars of ale. Jars of ale. Oh, I almost forgot. I've started a Patreon page. Woohoo! Not that you should be interested in that, you know. Patreon, you know, everybody seems to be doing it, so I thought, why not West Country Clegg? I could save up and buy a new coil for the GPX. I could get one that discriminates iron. Might be a good idea. You get two different types of coils for the GTX, CTX. No. What's it called? I've forgotten. One's called a mono coil, and it just detects everything. And there's another coil called a double D coil, and that detects everything, but it also discriminates iron. It just gives the iron a bit of a funny tone. It makes you recognise it as iron. GPX, that's it, GPX. Oh, it gets very confusing. Right, so yeah, if you want to join my Patreon page, you can see my videos 2 days before they come out, because I always record them in advance anyway. So yeah, 2 days before they come out normally. 4 videos a week, hopefully, depending on the weather. Yeah, so if you want to join up, there's a link on my top corner, right hand corner of my main page. Right, I'm heading off to the pub for some jars of ale. Cheers!
I have never had but one true love. In greenwood he lies slain. I'll do so much for my true love as I